A lot of people ask me why I still prep if I count macros, because it helps me be prepared. If I try to just wake up in the morning and say, okay, this is my numbers that I need to meet, and just eat throughout the day, I will go over, under, it'll just be a mess. So I like to already set everything at the beginning of the week, line it up for the whole week. If things get a little iffy, I go with life. So we are making lifestyle choices. I'm not in competition prep. I'm not trying to get super lean. I'm just trying to make healthier, better choices and feed my body the nutrients that it needs. But if I don't hit the numbers exactly, I'm not going to beat myself up about it. I just have a guideline preset for the whole week.
Yeah. It's one of those sit back. Hey, rats. Should've known that I was gonna make it to the top spot. Should've known that when I'm on point, my mind don't stop. Should've known that all the times living with my pops and the party's on after 9 o'clock and the music blasts till the pussy pop like. Should've known that. 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 I'm posted, been smoking, I'm potent. My mind is so open. I'm riding the ocean wavy.
So for 2 of my lunches this week, I have this leftover bird's eye oriental stir fry. I just get it at Walmart. It has some noodles, vegetables, mushrooms, there's like red peppers, green peppers, some carrots, maybe some snap peas. So I'm going to be using this as like my carb base. So for 2 cups of this, it's 38 carbs. I'm definitely not going to be using, this is going to be 2 lunches for me. So that's maybe half a cup. And then the sauce, and I'm using that with these shrimp. So I'll use a serving of shrimp for my protein, and that's gonna give me 2 of my lunches for the week. So I'm just going to spray some oil into the pan. So I'll just use this olive oil spray, pop it into the pan with the shrimp, and let that cook for a little bit, and then throw in the vegetables, and that'll just be my quick, easy 2 lunches for this week, like Sunday and Monday.
Should've known that, 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 should've known that. Yeah, I've been working all day, I've been working all night, I'ma never see the sun rise. I've been working so goddamn hard that I barely ever see the sunshine. I've been working.
While my vegetable stir fry and my shrimp are cooking, I'm going to just shred some chicken. So I get these rotisserie market side chickens from Walmart. You can get rotisserie chickens pretty much anywhere. I do take the skin off of it whenever I use it for my meal prep. I have some leftover pasta in the fridge from dinner sometime this weekend, and so I'm just gonna take this chicken and shred it. Shred like 4 ounces of it and put it into this pasta with some just regular pasta sauce, and this will be one of my lunches for this week. Kind of write down an idea of the foods that I want for the week, anything that I might have left over, things that I might already have in my pantry, anything that I have been like craving or wanting, and make a list. Then I'll put everything into my Fat Secret app, and with the Fat Secret app I will be able to see, how many calories I have so far. It's very important to hit your protein numbers first. So I'll make sure that I'm hitting all of my protein numbers. My NutriKey shakes definitely help with that. My Rep Sports protein, I also use that as well. So my protein supplements help me hit my protein numbers, because I do not like to eat a ton of food. Some people like to cut out dairy. I do not cut out dairy. I make my yogurt bowl, so I like to have yogurt once a day. I also will have cottage cheese before bed. So dairy is a big part of my diet. It does help me also with my protein number. I also don't like eggs, so that hinders me a little bit from things like breakfast. I'll do egg whites in the morning in my shake. I will drink my liquid egg whites. I used to buy the muscle egg, but it's very expensive. Those flavored egg whites in the big gallon. Do like them. I would get the mint chocolate. Really recommend them. I'll take my frozen acai packet, put it into the blender, and put everything in the blender. But if you put the egg whites in there at the same time, it really has like if you're whipping or whisking eggs, it really gets fluffy, and I can't drink it like that. So I'll make my shake, then I'll take my few tablespoons of egg whites, and I will put that into the shake afterwards, and then drink it. These are my 3 lunches that I just prepped. And that's pretty much all I have to prep. So for dinner, I will have a salad usually. Now, if I work out later in the day, I might flip my lunch and my dinner depending on what I have carb-wise, because I have been working out later in the evening, like 8:30, 9. So when we have dinner, I will add in some carbs, because carbs are very important to refuel after your workout. So everything is prepped in 35, 40 minutes. That gives me 6 days of meals, not 6 meals, 6 days of meals. So you have to find things. This has taken me 4 years now to figure out a system that works best for me. All in all, I eat a pretty good amount throughout the day. So very first thing in the morning for breakfast, I'm going to have my Power Shot. That starts off my day with my greens, my vitamins, not my BCAAs, I'm sorry. Digestive enzymes, vitamins, everything that I need right off the get-go in the morning. It's also mixed with my Inoflex, which I'm trying out for my joints. I'll take a shot of L-carnitine, whichever one that I grab out of the cabinet. I have a few different flavors. Then for my first meal, I do my protein with my coconut or almond milk and my acai packet, generally also with egg whites mixed in. I'll do my vitamins. So I have my vitamins and my fat burners, my tone complex, everything that's in there for out the day. This is not just for breakfast. I have some that I take in the morning, some I take at lunch, and then some I will take again at dinner. Usually energy drink and coffee, because I work early in the morning and I love my caffeine. For my next meal, I'll have my yogurt bowl that I have prepped. So Greek yogurt, some white chocolate chips or something in there to give it some texture, and fruit. That gives me proteins and carbs. Not very much fat, but some. I will have some fruit at some point, either with that, with my lunch, when I'm hungry, whenever. So I usually get peaches, bananas, and apples. Things that have carbs in them, because I don't have a lot of carbs at dinner time. I have most of them throughout the day. So I'd rather get them from fruits than anything else. At lunch, I have my stir fry prep with shrimp or my frozen soups that I've already prepared. I also have this one chicken pasta dish. I will have that with a whole avocado. So I'll take a whole avocado every day. They live over there in that bowl. Avocados every day. I'm obsessed with them. If I'm feeling snacky throughout the day or need an energy pick-me-up before my workout, I might do some Halo Top. The red velvet is my favorite. Or a few Teddy Grahams, the cinnamon ones. I grab those. I will also do the ISO Optima after my workout. So post-workout, the white chocolate macadamia is the best. So I'll have that with this Boom Chicka Pop that I've been obsessed with. I don't have any more of the caramel, I forget what it's called, but that one's my favorite. I do have a lot of this left, so I will have that. This is just the regular sea salt. If you want a lot of volume, you can definitely have it. If I want more than what's in this bag and I'm at home, I definitely will eat it, because 4 cups of this, the whole 4 cups, is 140 calories. It's gonna give you 7 grams of fat, 19 carbs, and 3 proteins. That is in 4 freaking cups. So, I don't think I eat 4 cups of popcorn like ever, but it's super, super natural. Popcorn, sunflower oil, sea salt. That's it. So good choice. I've gotten it at Aldi. I've also gotten it at Walmart. You can find it. For dinner, we talked about my salad. So rotisserie chicken, romaine lettuce, some croutons. It says 2 tablespoons is your serving, so I stick to my servings. I get the light Caesar dressing to save on some fats. A little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. That's dinner. And then for some added protein, some slow burning protein, I will do the 2% milk cottage cheese, about a cup of it before bed. I could also do a shake if I wanted to, but I like cottage cheese. So all in a day of eating. Hey, food. Also drinking your water, very important. So meal prep, my friends, you will get in a lot of food in your day. I hope that you found this useful. It takes a while because every person is different and you have to find what works for you when you're doing your meal prep. Tricky is doing a couple different challenges on their website. So the website's brand new, it just launched. If you go onto the website, you'll see on the homepage 30-day transformation, 30-day challenge. There's a bunch of different pre-packaged bundles that you can choose from. I personally am going to be doing the women's 30-day challenge. I have all my supplements. I'm ready to go. I'm going to follow it, post my before and after, help anybody who has questions while they're traveling through this 30-day journey. So go check that out. I will try to post some things on my Instagram about it before I start and let you guys know when it's kicking off. That's probably not going to be something that I'm posting here on YouTube, but go check it out. You get the protein in the package. You're also, I believe it's the whey though, I don't think it's the ISO, I'll have to check. You also are going to get your pre-workout that you need. You're going to get the Tone Complex, which is the fat burner that I'm taking. It comes with the water reduction pills that help maintain bloating. And a couple of the L-carnitine is in there. So a couple different things that are going to help just boost your metabolism, jumpstart your progress. We have to do the work at the same time. So prepping the meals, or at least being consistent. There are guides that come with the 30-day challenge. It's going to help you with your meal prepping, help you being prepared. There's also a 30-day workout plan. So you're going to get the tools that you need to get into the gym, get successful, get some nutrients in your body, and see some changes throughout 30 days. So 30 days is a full month. That's 4 weeks. So it's going to be a good time frame for you to see good results. I love these products. I'm not just pushing and pushing and pushing them. They are fantastic. So the taste, like this ISO protein, this is the one I have post-workout. The taste of this is absolutely amazing, especially if you like desserts. You can put them into a protein ice cream. You can make protein pancakes. You can put them in like a just coconut milk or almond milk with ice, and it makes a nice like milkshake. So it helps with my sweet tooth. I have a huge, huge sweet tooth. I love my carbs. So it definitely helps me stay on track and maintain with my goals.